These ceramic veneers are made here in my office. In this course, I go to teach you how to print these veneers in your own office. In this course, I teach you how to do veneers like this from the start to the end. With a 3D printed machine like this, you can do veneers like this in your own office. In the course, you learn all the process, the design, the printing, and the bonding of the veneers. The course includes live patient. You go to practice in a real person. And the most important, in the course, you have your own 3D machine to print your veneers. What are you waiting for, Sinab? Okay? We are waiting for you, for teach you how to do 3D printed veneers.